Hey, sixth graders, this is Miss Moravitz from down the hall, and your teacher, Miss Allen, and I had talked about a program that we were using called Delta Math, and I promised her that I would shoot a real quick video so that I could show you how to sign up for this account. So we're going to start right here. Let's see, we need to look at this first. Delta Math is this great little program that you can work online with, and I'm going to show you how to set up an account there, and then I'm going to show you just a little bit of how it works. First of all, you're going to go to deltamath.com, and up in the right hand corner you're going to click on Create Account. It's going to ask you for a class or teacher code, and that is this number right here, 300615. And then the name of the class is SMS for South Middle School, 6th grade math. When you sign up, you're going to use your school email. That is your first dot, middle dot, last name, your middle initial here, your first name and your last name, just like you would use at school, at fcstn.net. That's the email you're going to use to create your account. You get to choose your own password, but you should use your school password so that it's easy for you to remember. Remember, that's FCSS and then your lunch number or your ID number. So let's see. Let's go take a look at Delta Math, and we'll go back through these instructions while we're there. All right, over here in this right-hand corner, it says Create Account. So you're just going to click on that, and you're going to create a student account. The access code is 300615. And you're going to look for my name because the account's under my name. And then right here for your class, you're going to choose SMS 6th grade math. Put in your first name, put in your last name, put in your email, and you'll have to put it in there twice, and then choose your password. And then you're just going to click Create Account. Now, I already have an account created as a student, so I'm not going to click Create Account on that, but I am going to log in and show you just a little bit about how it works. And I'm going to show you as a student so that you'll be able to see that. All right. Now, when I get in there, now I'm a part of all three classes that I have set up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for 6th grade math right here. And I created a quick little assignment for you. And that is this one right here. It says sign numbers and number line assignment 1. And I'm just going to show you how it works just a little bit. So this first part is adding integers on a number line. Now up here, see where it says student help video? You can click on that and it will take you to a video that can help you with these problems. You can also click on show example and it will show you how to do one of these. And then you can go back to your original problem when you're ready to work it. Just a real quick on this one, it says find the result graphically. Click and drag arrows to represent each term. Type in the result. Well, you're going to start by going to a positive 8 right here. And then we have a -3. And since it's negative, that means we're going to go to the left. So we're going to go back 1, 2, 3. And we end up right here at the number +5. And then we just type in our number 5 and we click submit answer. It asks you, are you sure? We're pretty sure on that one. So we're going to say yes. And there you go. There's the correct answer. Then you would just click next problem. And see this right here where it says record 1 of 4? You have to get 4 correct on this section in order to earn the full credit for it. So you would keep answering questions until you got at least 4 of them. And the cool thing about this is you can keep answering questions even if you miss one until you get 4 correct. Let's say we got all 4 of our questions correct. And now we're going to go to section 2 of this, which has a little bit more difficult problem. This time wants us to find it in 3 different ways using the commutative property of addition. So what we're going to do, and it says type in the common result because it shouldn't matter what order we do it in. We should come out with the same answer. So we're going to start with this first one right here. So we're going to start at a positive 2. And then we have a negative 5, which means we're going to go back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have another negative 3. So that means, again, we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. And we end up at a negative 6. Now we need to do it again, but we need to do it in a different order. So let's start in the middle. Let's go to negative 5. And then we're going to go backwards. We're going to go back to the left, right? Again, by 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we still have our positive 2 right here, which means we go back to the right, 2. 1, 2. Oh, looky there. We ended up at the same place, at a negative 6. Okay, we have to do it one more time. We started with the first number and we started with the second number. So this time, let's start with the third number. All right, so we have a negative 3. So that means we're going to go back to our left, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go to the right by 2 because it's positive. 1, 2. All right. And then we're going to go back to the left by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, looky there. We ended up at negative 6 again, and it didn't matter which order we did those in. So let's put our negative 6 in the box, submit our answer, and say yes. And we got it correct. All right, so let's say we got at least 4 of those correct. So let's go back again. And this other section is about applied net change. And on applied net change, these are just a couple of more complicated problems. Talking about money here. Deposits and withdrawals. Okay, so if it's a positive number, that means she deposited money into her account. And if it's a negative number, that means she took money out. So what you want to see, it said at the beginning, it was $100.94. And so what we want to know is what the account balance is at the end of the month. Well, to do that, first of all, you're going to have to start with what she had. And look right here at this handy dandy calculator that they have. All right, so what'd she start with? $100.94, right? Okay. And then right here, she added 92.57. So let's say plus 92.57. All right. Then she added some more. She added 56.69. And then she added some more. So she's doing good about putting money in. So 100.96. But then she says, oh, I got a bill to pay, or I need to go buy something at the store. So now she's going to subtract 53.70. And then it looks to me like she might have wanted to go to McDonald's or something like that, or maybe Starbucks. And so then she subtracted $10.51. And let's see what we come out with. So it says over here, $286.95. So let's put that in, $286.95, and submit that answer. And let's close out our calculator. We don't need that anymore. And say yes. Looky there. So we found out how much the net change, the applied net change, is to her checking account. Now, again, you have 2 problems to work like that. Just something that you can try to see how this works. When you have all 4 here and all 4 here and 2 here, your score is going to be a 100 up here, or whatever it is, depending on how many you get correct. So if you would like too, and Miss Allen says it's okay, maybe you guys can give this one a shot. Try it, see if you like it. And I hope you guys really like Delta Math. There are lots and lots of things that you can do here. Great little assignments that your teacher can give you, and lots of tools. Again, you have help videos, you have examples, and you have a calculator. What else could you possibly need? So, again, I hope that you guys will at least give this a shot. And I hope to see you in the hallways, and have a really, really, really great day.